Hey guys, back to this motor again, this old one, the Hoover. I just realised what this little thing is up. It's a clutch brake thing, and I will show you what it does. I will just move the motor. Yeah, so it doesn't catch on anything. Right. Energize device. That's what Rodelco says. Okay, the motor is switched on. And running nice and smoothly. Then we get a screwdriver. Put this here. Here we go. Stops. It's a clutch. And that spins with it. And a belt goes here. And that's its brake. But that's like, this motor's like 20-30 years old. And I can adjust it, so if I pull it up a little bit, it only spins that much, and it gets gradually faster. But if I do this full on, and if I can let it go a little bit. It's better just to do it quickly, like. I could attach this to the compressor. So I could have, oh, by the way, this is the old wire from it, pretty old and crappy. Goes in my copper scrap pile just there. I've got 3 bags of copper scrap. So that's the compressor motor here. If I have that running, it's probably not powerful enough to actually get the compressor fast enough, but if I put that there and I have a little lever up here, pull it down and have a lock on it so it just stays down and the compressor goes. So I'm pretty sure that's just a clutch. When you pull this up, when you pull this up, this brake comes off, and then it pushes this thing in. Or I could just have it permanently like that and cut the motor off. And this could just be an emergency stop, so have the motor always running like this and just say something happens and then have the motor cut off. You can see it trying to move. That's the motor in there. It needs cleaning. And this motor's got a bit of torque. See this bit in here keeps spinning. But yeah, that's make sure I have a good earth on there. And yeah guys, that's about it. So until next time, thank you for watching.